Hi there, I'm Michael Cohen from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'm the lead developer for VTube-STEP software that allows customers to import solid models and then create tubes from those models and send them out to various processes like benders and or other file formats. I had a customer ask me if I would add the AutoCAD DXF format, and all he needed was the AutoCAD DXF format to contain the center line of the tube shape in order to use for building up gauges. And so I went ahead and added that, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's go ahead and work our way through that. So I've got a part here. You can see we've got the parametric data, the endpoints and the intersection points and all of the bender data. Now we go to the import export page, the export button, AutoCAD DXF, and now I'm going to go ahead and save this part. I'll just save this as a new part name, and then we're going to go out to AutoCAD and we're going to load this part in. So I'm going to look for the part I just built. What we have here on the center lines, we have point numbers, the center lines themselves. We have point entities wherever you see a number. We have annotations, bend 1, radius, and the bend angle. We have these arcs, and then we have the bend planes. And all of that is all you need then to get to the data that you're going to use, for example, to build up the center of a gauge. So that's how simple this process is. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please feel free to reach out to me or my team at support@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Bye then.